Hello, everybody. My name is Chelsea Reedy, and I'm going to be telling you how money can't buy love or happiness. False love can be bought. True love is priceless. Let that sink in for a bit. Your mindset has a significant impact on your happiness, and it's something that money can't fix. If you are a glass half empty person with a lot of money, chances are that your mindset will be smaller even when you have money. Relationships, rather than money, are the most consistent predictor of happiness. When we have people in our lives who we love, we are more likely to be happy. And ultimately, that's something that money can't buy. Sure, there might be people who want to spend time with you because you have a lot of money, but those won't be genuine relationships, and they aren't likely to bring lasting happiness. The problem of people believing money can buy happiness has a few different causes, a number of negative effects, and several possible solutions. Starting off with the causes, more people believe that life is mainly about money and is the reason why people are happy and in loving relationships. According to MarketWatch, it says 1 in every 10 people ages 20 to 36, when I asked what the most closely associated with happiness, answers money, choosing that a roll up, doing good, and other answers as their number one driver of happiness. That number is significantly higher than the number of boomers who say the 6%, according to a recent survey of more than 2,300 adults conducted by Wells Fargo. 13% of male millennials are significantly more likely to answer money than females. Having social media and seeing what people have in their lives and seeing how happy they are after they buy it, people are more likely to be influenced on what these so-called popular people are doing. People have been arguing for centuries about whether or not money can buy happiness. New research provides a fuller understanding of the relationship between what we earn and how we feel. It may seem a bit obvious, people with higher incomes are generally speaking happier than those who struggle. They worry less about paying their bills, they have greater choice in where they live or how they work, and they can provide creature comforts for themselves and their loved ones. However, wealth alone is not a golden ticket. Indeed, what kind of money one has and how they spend it matters a lot more than a large income. According to how you think about money can impact how happy you are in life, study says by Corey Steige. Most of us have heard that money can't buy happiness, but the way you view wealth and materialism, they have a significant effect on how satisfied and happy you are with your life, according to a new study published in the journal Applied Research in Quality of Life. It also says money can be a tool to motivate you to achieve milestones in your life, which can make you feel happier in the long run. When earning money, people get good motivation to be more successful and happy and to build good relationships with people, but this can end in a more negative way if people boast on how much money they earn. Success materialism positively influences life satisfaction by boosting a person's economic motivation. This can lead to a rise in their future satisfaction with our standard of living, which positively influences overall life satisfaction. Knowing positive solutions is something important to have. Ways to knowing that money doesn't buy our happiness and love is do what you can make to sure your basic needs are being met and save enough cash to have a valuable in the event of an emergency. Don't make comparisons to others. Instead, focus on the positive things in your life. Feel gratitude and show appreciation by writing thank you cards or giving back to the community. Spend your time and energy on experiences that will create more memories instead of stuff. Focus on connecting with your community and nature. Think of financial well-being as the new goal because most likely you can have it before you have large amounts of money. Knowing how to handle money and the way that you show it is very important. Money can't buy happiness and love because it is a major problem with many causes and effects that can be resolved. Being satisfied by only money in life can make for not good relationships.